Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconiana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a vintage AUTOMAT Cygnus petrol lighter made in Japan. This lighter is marked AUTOMAT Cygnus. Patent number 364149. Then down underneath the fuel screw there is a symbol of some kind, and it says number 3838. This lighter is not expressly marked with the Penguin brand, but I do think that that little symbol there may be a logo or some other indication of that brand. This is a gold tone lighter, has a few scuffs, scratches. It was in new condition when I got it. It has been lit at this point. It has advertising along the back spine. In blue text it says Margaret, SANER, YAKAN Plantation. I believe the YAKAN Plantation is in the Philippines, but other than that, I can't really give you any information. You can see the bracket here, which indicates that this is an automatic version of the Cygnus lighter. So pressure on the wheel opens the snuffer. And of course, by putting pressure on the wheel and rolling it at the same time, the lid is going to come up and the lighter will ignite. We did re-wick this lighter, and we went back in with the original wadding. You can see the typical thumb roller flint tension mechanism here, whereby the pressure is placed on the flint up against the file wheel, which enables our ignition to happen in the first place. The fuel screw in the slider does show a little bit of damage, especially or pretty much solely to the screwdriver slot in the screw. So some damage there. The O-ring or seal is still intact, looks to be in good shape. When I received this lighter, the spare flint compartment was full of an old flint that had turned to dust, but as you can see, we have cleaned that up. Now we have a brand new flint awaiting our need in that spare flint compartment. This is a smaller fuel screw than the other Cygnus petrol lighters that I have. So there are some differences, and like I said, this lighter is not expressly marked Penguin, although I'm certain that it is. You can see how the fuel screw on the typical Penguin Cygnus petrol lighter is knurled and accessible and visible from the outside edges. It does not fit into the bottom as this AUTOMAT Cygnus does. You can also see here, comparing this AUTOMAT Cygnus in a gold tone to this White Horse Inn Cygnus, or also the Flying A, that the ribs on these regular lighters are 10 across, where on this particular AUTOMAT Cygnus, it is 8 across. So broader ribs. Lighter itself looks to be exactly the same. Depth, width, height, and all of that. So a really nifty lighter that I am thrilled to add to my personal collection of vintage Penguin Cygnus Petrol lighters. These are roller lighters, aluminum block lighters, a lot of them advertising lighters as well. So all within this one brand and make of lighter, you can have a pretty broad collection. We went back in there. I mentioned that we re-wicked it, used the old wadding again because it was perfectly clean. We just didn't want to be lighting things up with a wick that may have asbestos in it. And on top of that was the fact that the wick had bloomed out and was not allowing the lid to close real well. It does seem to me that it closes better, even with that new wick in there and out of the way, if you will depress it and lower the snuffer at the same time. Trying to just lower the snuffer does not necessarily get the snuffer seated all the way down as you would want it to be. So there may be a learning curve or two with using a lighter such as this. And I would really like to acquire another one that doesn't have advertising on it. I don't want to damage those painted letters any more than is necessary. Hopefully that's no damage at all. But I am going to use this lighter a little bit, and would like the opportunity to carry one in my pocket for a while and just see exactly how well one of these automatic Penguin Cygnus, or AUTOMAT Cygnus as it is marked on the bottom, how well they do with that O-ring on the bottom. And the snuffer closing nice and tight. You would think that perhaps this lighter would not be a heavy evaporator, but you never know. But probably not going to be putting this one in my pocket. I will use it around the headquarters here a little bit. Light up here and there as I see fit. But as far as the personal collection and EDC Cygnus lighters go, I would like to acquire another of these AUTOMAT Cygnuses. Put in my pocket for a while, carry around, and just see how well it does. But a valued member of my collection. Thrilled to add this one, and looking forward to adding more as well. Until next time.